The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "Whoever possesses three things will taste of faith: he who loves a person for no other reason than Allah, and he who loves Allah and his Messenger, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, more beloved to him than anyone else, and he who is saved from disbelief by Allah, and being thrown into the fire is more beloved to him than returning to disbelief." Sahih Muslim Kitab al-Iman Hadith 166.